You are not behind because of bad luck. You are not stuck because the world is unfair. You are where you are because of what you do every single day without thinking. Your habits are running your life, and some of them are quietly destroying it. This is not a warning. This is already happening. Most men walk through life on autopilot. They wake up, reach for the phone, scroll for 20 minutes, eat without thinking, avoid the hard work, stay up too late, and wonder why nothing is changing. They blame the economy, they blame their circumstances. They never once look at the small repeated choices that are building a prison around them brick by brick. The first habit is this: checking your phone the moment you wake up. Before your mind is even fully conscious, you hand it to the noise of the world. You start the day reactive instead of focused. You train your brain to need stimulation before it can function. Kill this habit before it kills your mornings permanently. The second habit is consuming more than you create. Watching other people build things, make money, and live fully, while you sit and absorb it like it is enough. It is not enough. Consumption without creation is just slow stagnation dressed up as entertainment. The third habit is avoiding discomfort. Every time something feels hard, you find something easier. Every time a task demands focus, you find a distraction. You have trained yourself to run from the exact things that would make you stronger. Comfort is the enemy wearing a friendly face. The fourth habit is staying in the wrong rooms. The people around you are not neutral. They are either pulling you up or pulling you down. If the people closest to you have no ambition, no discipline, no drive, their ceiling is becoming your ceiling. Environment shapes identity, whether you accept that or not. The fifth habit is talking about what you are going to do instead of doing it. Announcing plans feels like progress. It is not progress. It is a release valve that takes the pressure off actually executing. Silence your plans. Let your results speak instead. The sixth habit is sleeping without intention and waking without purpose. No structure in the morning means no direction in the day. The way you start your morning is the way you negotiate with the next 24 hours. Lose the morning and you lose the day. Lose enough days and you lose years. The seventh habit is waiting to feel ready. Ready is a feeling that never fully arrives. The men who build real lives do not wait for confidence. They act and confidence follows. Waiting for the right moment is just fear with a more acceptable name. These 7 habits are not small things. They compound. Every day you carry them, they grow heavier. Every day you keep them, they cost you more than you realize. Time, money, energy, the person you were supposed to become. You still have time to choose differently, but not unlimited time. The future you want is being built or destroyed right now, in this moment, by what you decide to do next. Delete the habits before they delete you.